Hi, I'm Ben. Today I'm going to show you around So Maldives, the fashion-conscious resort in the heart of the Maldives. Come and have a look.
Let's find out more about this island paradise from the Director of Brand.
Good to meet you. Thanks for having us here at your beautiful new resort.
Our official tagline is Castaway meets Runway because, of course, Castaway being we are in the Maldives as a destination. It's privacy, it's seclusion. And then meets Runway because, of course, our pillar is fashion and creativity. That's why Castaway meets Runway. It's very special in the Maldives to have this kind of setting.
Look at this for a view and a floating breakfast. Wow, can't wait to try that.
Let's take a closer look inside these stunning overwater villas with the Director of Sales and Marketing.
So great to meet you, Nisa. Thanks for hosting us here at your beautiful resort.
Yeah, thank you so much for making time and then to see this new beautiful resort. What is special about our villa compared to other resort in Maldives is the design itself. Glass window, ceiling to floor, so you can see the ocean in every part.
The amenities out here seem to be pretty generous with the sea, a hammock, and that's a big pool right there as well. And then here you have the steps down into the lagoon down here. This is a really beautiful lagoon, isn't it? No closing time on the ocean, you can swim. That's what I really like.
We want the guests to feel that they're actually walking into their island runway.
So that's the beach club.
Yeah, the concept right there in the beach club is to feel that it's a happening place. That's why it's very vibrant in colors. As you may see, the design is very playful. And of course, my favorite part personally is it's the marine life. We have Dolphin Point right there, just 10-minute speedboat.
One of the best things about a Maldives escape at a luxury resort is the pampering. Whether your preferred mode is active or relaxed, retreat to the serene wellness camp, featuring a bespoke spa, modern organic treatment rooms which look out to the ocean, steam room, sauna, and a state-of-the-art gym. Also with its own outdoor pool for some after-treatment relaxation. Now let's hear from the head of culinary about the amazing food and beverage options available at the resort.
How many restaurants are there actually on island?
We have 3 outlets on the island.
Okay.
We have Hadaba, which is a Middle Eastern Arabic style restaurant. We have Citronelle, which is a Pan-Asian restaurant, but also the all-day dining restaurant. Breakfast is also served out of Citronelle as well. And then we have Lazuli. And Lazuli is a bit of an ode to the Côte d'Azur of France, or that whole Mediterranean Ibiza style.
So Maldives benefits hugely from being part of the Crossroads complex, which means only a quick 5-minute speedboat away and you've got restaurants, beach clubs, shops and many more activities going on clustered around a vibrant marina.
Whether it's an overwater villa you're looking for or a secluded private beach villa, I've got you covered and I've seen all the different room categories available and can help advise you on which one's going to work best for you, the family and your friends. Here at So Maldives, it's the fashionable resort where Castaway meets Runway.